Still warm out there and more humid too, Jim.
Yeah, the moisture's been coming back in. It's made things a little more uncomfortable this week, as if the temperatures didn't do that on their own, because they've been well above average. We've seen highs every day this week, at least into the middle, sometimes the middle and upper 80s, just like today. Out there right now, we have a partly cloudy sky. It's looked just like every other day this week has, at 83 degrees currently. Now, will we continue to see this warm weather on into the winter? Well, the government issued its annual winter outlook today to mixed reviews here in Central Texas. While many will welcome the warmer than normal weather, the Climate Prediction Center is forecasting for Texas right on through the winter. The dry outlook could signal the beginning of our next drought.
With the development of La Nina, it's going to keep the storm track well to the north. That's going to keep both the rain away and much of the cold weather away as well.
The La Nina pattern of a colder than normal Pacific Ocean looks to be a strong one this winter, so it's even more likely than usual that we will see a mild and dry winter, possibly spring too. Coming up at 6, more on the new outlook and how this La Nina will impact our weather over the coming months.